Machine tool business is based on developing lifelong relationships with customers. By putting unchanged elaboration with detailed great care into our machine build quality, along with prompt maintenance in the fields afterward, I can say our machines can last more than 25 years. This 25 years is indeed a long time period, and whenever we ship our machines out of factory, it may sound funny though, we consider every single machine as our own child, starting relationship with customers as our family. We as parents feel responsible to look after providing service to our children, since to grow customers' business. So our dedication and commitment to relationships to customers remain at the core of our truly family business. Our predecessors took as many chances as they could to travel all over the world to visit customers, and I follow this family routine too. Seeing our blue-collar machines at customers' premises is my greatest pleasure to meet up our children, and I am very thankful for making close relationships with our valued customers.